All right, welcome everyone. We are here with the 10K Yog Tarot deck. Now this is a card deck that has helped many people in the world, all over the world, and no one has a deck quite like this because we created it ourselves. So before we do the reading where you get to choose what you want, I'm just going to introduce a new book that we have coming out. It is called the 27 Steps 10K Yog Tarot Clearings. Now this book has 27 steps and many pictures in it with the cards to clear you and also give you more insight on the cards. So if you are a trained reader in the 10K Yog Tarot, this is something that you would want to get. If you are interested in the 10K Yog Tarot, the book will help enhance you to understand yourself through the cards, because these cards have great meaning. All right, I'm gonna lay them out. I'll shuffle them again. But the 27 steps will be available on Amazon and will help everyone. Available on Kindle and paperback. So let me lay out the cards for today. And you're going to choose which card you want. So here we go. Whatever card you want, we like to make decisions quick because that is sign of movement. So let me start. You probably got your card. Keep your eye on it. I'm going to go one by one and explain it so that you have a deeper understanding of who you are by the cards. All right, so the first card is time. Now this is to remind you that you're a smart individual. So you have to break through and break free the constraints of society because time is just an illusion. There's no such thing as I don't have enough time, I need more time. You gotta live more in the moment. And this is just expanding more of the questions of the universe of who you are. So an intelligent card, time. So I'm going to keep them flipped over, so we'll go to this one now. Short descriptions. So if you chose the blank card today, which is this one, this means that you're in a place right now that you can create your reality. Anything that you can dream of can happen in your life as long as you believe it. Now that doesn't sound cliche because it is such a truth. So make sure what you're putting into your life is positive, it's happy, it is sending you in a high vibration to impact others and change yourself. So stay positive, know you are a creator in your reality if you chose this card. So here we go, we got this one now. So Cosmic Bond. This one is to really help you look on the contracts you have in life. The relationships that you have, even your past relationships, what in them taught you something to bring into this life, into your new relationship, your new career? What have you been promising yourself that you have not followed through with? Okay, the Cosmic Bond is a powerful card. Look, there's a singularity right there. It says the universe came from a singularity. So go back to simplicity and calm your mind through meditation and breathing and go back to yourself, okay? That is a universal message, but the Cosmic Bond, I mean, you don't want to be so stressed out that you can't be now or want for the future. So go back to you. Pick this card now. Wow, we got another blank card, which it could mean the same exact thing, where if you picked this one, you are in a good place to manifest what you want. But the difference between these two is that this one is 56, so that goes into 11, which goes into the sacral chakra. So this means that manifestation, yes. Relationships, know who you have in your life. And then this one here is 5 and 7, so that goes into 12, which goes into 3, which is the solar plexus. So be careful of your emotions, that they don't cloud your judgment on how you want your life. Go back to yourself always. Just be careful on the vibrations you're putting into your life. So we got 2 more cards, let's go. The Fiery Spirit. So we have a few cards like this which serve as warning cards, but they're not negative. They're power cards. They're to remind you that you have all aspects inside of you. Whether that is you're experiencing anger or grief or greed or envy or jealousy. Every single human being experiences this. So the fiery spirit is for you right now to realize to go back and calm yourself down. And yes, a fiery spirit is within you. Maybe you're experiencing a fiery spirit in your life, impacting your life. Take time for yourself and reflect. It's all about reflection. Actually, all of these cards right now are about reflection, which is funny. That's what the 10K Yoga Tarot does. It gives you a masterpiece in the reading. That's why each reading for every person is individual and specific. So if you picked Lady Flame, you are in a place of creation also. These also have to mean very cohesive meanings together. So Lady Flame is the ultimate feminine. It is the power and the strength and the inner fire within, whether the fire to you means desire, whether it means heat or actual flame. It is the manifestation and it's the creation of your own energy. So if you are a woman, embody the true woman within you. If you are a man, maybe you need a true woman if you're looking for a true woman. Whatever you're looking for, it doesn't matter. Every single person is male and female energy, water, fire, earth, metals. So balance that within you and find yourself. Look at the cards again. Whatever it means to you, you can always come back. But know that these cards vary in the meaning depending on who you are and what your situation is. This was a general reading that you could pick for yourself. And then we have here the heart card, which for every single person, every person has a heart. Everyone has been through situations that have scarred them, that have hurt them, that have made them feel love and compassion. So balance that now. Love you guys. 10K Yoga Tarot.